The practical to measure initial reactant rate. So the iodine clock solution reaction you're monitoring. So this equation you do need to learn off by heart. H2O2 aqueous plus 2I minus aqueous plus 2H plus aqueous. H2O2 aqueous plus 2I minus aqueous plus 2H plus aqueous arrow 2H2O liquid plus I2 aqueous. So iodine clock solution reaction you're monitoring. H2O2 aqueous plus 2I minus aqueous plus 2H plus aqueous arrow 2H2O liquid plus I2 aqueous. And basically what happens is measure initial reactant rate iodine clock solution. A small amount of sodium thiosulfate and starch is added to the reaction mixture. Once the sodium thiosulfate reacts instantly with a small amount of sodium thiosulfate and starch added to reaction mixture, sodium thiosulfate reacts instantly with iodine formed, and then once all the sodium thiosulfate reacts, the remaining iodine in the solution will turn the starch indicator blue-black. And once you see that, you know the remaining iodine in the solution will turn the starch indicator blue/black, blue to black. Two independent variables in measuring the initial reaction rate: the change of concentration of iodide, the change in concentration of hydrogen peroxide, change in concentration of iodide, change in concentration of hydrogen peroxide. And when we keep everything else constant, we only change the concentration of iodide and the concentration of hydrogen peroxide, and we keep everything else constant, it will give us different times for the color change, and therefore we can work out the reaction order. Because we've got different times for the color change, we can easily find out the reaction order. State how to measure reactions that produce a precipitate that clouds a solution. You just need to measure time for the mark underneath the reaction vessel to disappear from the view. How to measure reactions that produce precipitate that clouds a solution. Measure the time for mark underneath the reaction vessel to disappear from view. State how to measure other reactions to work out initial reaction. Well, we want to measure time for a small amount of product to be formed. So for hydrogen peroxide, for example, we just want to measure time for a small amount of product to be formed.